Bodies of Jessie Ripoll, principal and wife, to be flown back to Jamaica for funeral service. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The bodies of O'Neil Stevens and his wife, Kamisha Lindsay Stevens, are to be flown back to Jamaica for burial. This was confirmed to reporters by Lindsay Stevenson's mother, Vernon Roper Brown, and Cardi and Henry, one of Stevenson's cousins. The relatives said that autopsies on the couple, who were mowed down in the United States last week Friday, were expected to be conducted yesterday, after which arrangement will be made to fly their bodies home to Jamaica for a funeral service and burial. Links 007 TV News has also learned that the Stevensons' young daughters have expressed their wish to return to Jamaica and will return to Jamaica at the same time as their parents' bodies. Stevenson, who was the principal of Jessie Ripoll Primary School, was in the process of returning to Jamaica along with his wife and two daughters after vacationing in South Carolina when tragedy struck. The four were traveling to the airport with Roper Brown and another relative who was driving the Hyundai Passport Odyssey motor vehicle. They reportedly pulled to the side of the road to repair a flat tire when a vehicle slammed into the couple. No one else was injured during the accident. Stevenson reportedly died on the spot while his wife passed away just as she got to an urgent care center. The driver of the other vehicle stayed on the scene and was administered a breathalyzer test, which came out negative. No charges have been laid against the driver at this time, although the Charleston County Sheriff's Office is still investigating. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.